What is going on, guys? It's Scotty Restores Kicks, and today I'm going to be icing up my Space Jam 11, so check it out.
All I see is icy, icy. All I see is icy, icy. Scotty restoring kicks, and all I see is icy, icy. Whoa.
So here are the Space Jams that I got. Space Jam 11s, 2016 release, I believe, with the 45 on it. I actually got these ones on release date, and yeah, as you can see, still you got some yellowing on the bottom. There is a little tints of blue that are still there, but for the most part, it's pretty much yellow, and definitely want that icy blue back. Haven't ever iced these, so this is going to be a first. Definitely got some heel drag here, but besides that, shoes are in really good condition. I do take care of these, so yeah. Now, if you haven't watched already, go watch this video. I'm going to put it up above. In that video, I found out a couple flaws with the indoor method that ended up harming my shoe. So with that being said, before I was telling you to do 24-hour sessions, we're going to try something different in this video. So with these shoes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the sauce on, and I'm only going to put them in for 3 to 5 hours, and then I'm going to clean it off and do it again. And I want to see what kind of results I'll get in 3 to 5 hours after putting the sauce on, washing it off, and then doing it again. Also, it'll allow for more sessions to be done in a day. However, we may be using more sauce, but if it keeps the shoes good and it doesn't harm the shoe and it ends up working better, that might be the new strategy. So we're gonna try it out, put it to the test, and see if it works. So here it is right here. Here is the before, and let's start icing these shoes. Alright guys, so it has been 3 sessions and I'm done with icing the Space Jams. Again, I could do more, but right now, these are just for personal use. I just want to show you guys that the indoor method does work. Here they are now. As you can see, a nice icy bottom. Sure, we still have some yellow, maybe a little bit in the heel, but for the most part, it is a lot better. Compared to the original right here, look at that difference, guys. The toe, perfectly. You can see the sides too, we have that, and definitely the yellow is gone. There may be a couple areas where it has it a little bit. Again, it's more in the heel area, which is harder to get out, but for the most part, we are back to icy, or at least back to clear. So that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions or video suggestions, please put them in the comments down below. Also, if you like this video, smash the like button. And lastly, if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the push notification button so you never miss an upcoming video. It's Scotty Restores Kicks, and I'm out.